Good morning, everyone. We'll be starting with the subject Fundamentals of Information Technology, that is, Fundamentals of IT. Okay, in this subject, we'll be learning today the basic components of computer system, and in that, we'll be learning organization of computer system. In this, we'll be learning with the syllabus, that is Unit 1, Basic Components of Digital Computers. In that, we'll see the block, and in that block, we'll see the functions of each unit, like primary unit, or we say it as primary memory, ALU. It is not ALU, it is ALU, Arithmetic and Logical Unit, and Control Unit. Information format we will study, then the types of buses, that are data bus, control bus, and address bus. Then we'll see number systems, in that binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal, their conversions. Then we'll see the binary arithmetic, in which ASCII code, BCD code, EBCDIC code we'll see. Then we'll see language evolution, which will have generation of languages like machine language, assembly language, high level language. Then we'll see characteristics of good language, translators, compiler. In translators, we have three categories: compiler, interpreter, and assembler. And what is source and object program. So this comprises of unit 1. Okay. Then in unit 2, we'll see memory, static and dynamic memory. In that, we'll see various static and dynamic RAMs. Then in ROM memory, what is ROM memory? What are the types of ROM memories, like PROM, EPROM, E2PROM? Then what is flash and cache memory? That also we'll see. We'll see storage devices. What are storage devices? How they work? Some examples are like hard disk, zip disk, optical disk, pen drive, and Blu-ray disc. So this we will cover in storage devices. In unit 4, we'll learn what is networking, what is network topology, terminology, what are the various topologies, linear, circular, tree, and mesh, the types of networks, LAN, WAN, and MAN. And along with that, we have like repeaters, bridge, routers. These are the networking devices. Okay. Gateway. There are means of communication like modem or Wi-Fi. So how it works. Then we will see Bluetooth and infrared devices, network protocols, and architecture. Okay. Now we'll start up with what is the basic components of a computer system. So computer system has 5 basic units. कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के अंदर 5 ब्लॉक्स या 5 मेजर कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, 5 मेजर यूनिट्स होते हैं, जिनके नाम है इनपुट यूनिट, मेमोरी, अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट, एंड आउटपुट यूनिट, एंड कंट्रोल यूनिट. ओके. अब इसमें ये जो कंट्रोल यूनिट है, जैसे हमारे ह्यूमन ब्रेन में एक पार्ट है, देन आंखों का एक पार्ट है, देन हैंड्स अलग हैं, लेग्स अलग हैं, और अलग अलग कंपोनेंट्स एक साथ मिलके हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी बनाते हैं. सो सेम वे में कंप्यूटर में ये जो 5 ब्लॉक्स हैं, ये आपके कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को बनाते हैं. ठीक है. अब आपने सीपीयू ये वर्ड सुना होगा, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. तो ये जो सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट है, ये सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट या सीपीयू, ये कॉम्बिनेशन बना हुआ होता है 3 हिस्सों का. एक है कंट्रोल यूनिट, दूसरा है अरिथमेटिक लॉजिकल यूनिट, and third one is memory unit. So आपके CPU में ये 3 हिस्से रहेंगे, ALU, control unit and memory. Okay? So ये यहाँ पे हम लोग एक block diagram देखेंगे. Here you see the input is program and data. Okay, this is your input. This input goes to the input unit. From that, it will be like shared to the CPU. CPU में जिसमें दो हिस्से हैं, CPU जिसमें दो हिस्से हैं. Okay, in those two parts you will see storage, secondary storage, primary storage, control unit, arithmetic logic. This memory is divided into two parts, secondary storage and primary storage, then control unit and arithmetic logic unit, and finally the output goes to the output unit. Okay, so this is the block diagram, and finally from the program and data that you have given to the input unit, you will get the information or result after doing the processing on it. Okay.